Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious tomato soup noodles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need canned crushed tomatoes, your favorite pasta, some vegetable or chicken broth, and a few aromatics like garlic and onion. Make sure you have a large pot and a stirring spoon ready. This simple dish is perfect for a comforting meal any day of the week. Now, let's build that flavorful soup base. Start by sautéing finely chopped garlic and onion in a little olive oil until they are soft and fragrant. Next, pour in your canned crushed tomatoes and the broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld together. Don't forget to season with salt, pepper, and perhaps a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. It's time for the star of the show, the noodles. Add your dry pasta directly into the simmering tomato soup. Make sure there's enough liquid to cover them. Stir frequently to prevent the noodles from clumping or sticking to the bottom of the pot. Cook until the pasta is al dente, absorbing all those wonderful flavors. If the soup gets too thick, add a splash more broth. Your delicious tomato soup noodles are now ready to enjoy. Carefully ladle the hot, comforting soup into bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh basil, parsley, or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. This simple, hearty meal is perfect for a cozy evening. We hope you love making and eating this classic comfort food. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.